and come to Manik and Jamin. Jamin, I'm going to start with you. So, in the last 1.5 years, I think athleisure has grown leaps and bounds, and it has led to a format change as well. Meaning, all the athleisure brands now that I speak with, and they've been speaking in the market, they're looking at a larger store. They're looking at a fairly larger store. I think they're doubling, tripling their optimal size, which they were operating with a couple of years back. So, in these times when athleisure has been showing very promising results, which is of course resulting in larger stores, you're an online brand, you're setting into an offline brand. What strategies are you trying to put in place? What are your checkpoints? And how are you collaborating your physical and your digital into a phygital strategy?
So basically in VS we are targeting the mid economy range. जो customers है वो mid economy range के, mostly into tier 2 and tier 3 cities. वहाँ पे consumer जब तक product को feel नहीं करता, he is not ready to buy online. एक बार feel करेगा, उसको सही लगेगा, फिर शायद वो second time online जाए. But first time तो वो online कभी नहीं जाएगा. So we need a physical presence to cover up the tier 2, tier 3 city consumers. So we would obviously expand on the offline side, and online will eventually grow on the metro cities and tier 1 cities. But tier 2, tier 3 के लिए we will be looking at not larger stores, 700, 800 square feet of stores, जो compatible है, considering our SKU range. Athleisure wear brands are not going into large format stores. The large format stores में जो brands जा रहे हैं, उनका major 50% above sale is into footwear. So जिनके पास footwear major category है, they are going into larger format stores. But the purely athleisure wear brands जो सिर्फ wear पे focus करते हैं, they are not going into large format. They are focused into below 1,000 square feet stores only. So our focus will be also the same. And for tier 2, tier 3 physical stores will obviously be required. मतलब वहाँ पे वो presence create करनी ही है brand को. तभी consumers acquire होंगे. After a time of 3 to 4 years, when you have a good customer base, you can convert that customer to online. But eventually, initially, offline stores पे ही focus रहेगा. And online will even grow in the tier 1 and metro cities, this kind of cities.
So any particular reason why you've chosen tier 2, tier 3 cities to begin with as your offline stores? Will you get the same kind of response or some kind of data that you had beforehand that led you to take a call to get into tier 2 cities first?
India has more than 50% of unorganized market currently in the apparel sector. जहाँ पे multi-brand outlets local level पे deal करते हैं, they buy from the domestic wholesalers and sell to the consumers. That the whole space is looking for a brand जो एक value bet product दे. Tier 2, tier 3 city के consumers look for a value bet product. अगर 600 का आपको उनको track pant दे रहे हो, it should look worthy कि हाँ ये 600 का है. You cannot overvalue it. वहाँ पे tier 2, tier 3 का consumer नहीं पैसा देता. तो जो वो स्पेस है उसकी अपॉर्चुनिटी को देख के हमने वीएस ब्रांड वो स्पेस में लॉन्च किया. There's a huge space in that brand.
तो अभी आपका जो प्राइसिंग स्ट्रेटजी है, is it the same for both your online offline? Are you going to maintain price parity?
No. The pricing is same offline,
price
online, everything same.
Price parity is the same. Okay, Manik, your view on this? Yeah. First thing, I think digressing from phygital.